The family of the Reverend Billy Graham waits to find out when he will be able to go home from the hospital.
News 13's Victoria Dunkel is live at Mission Hospital this morning. And Victoria, the evangelist spent a second night there. How's he doing this morning?
Well, according to the folks, the representatives for the Reverend Billy Graham, he's resting comfortably. He ended up here on Saturday night. He has a case of bronchitis. What started this out was the evangelist came up with a fever on Saturday night, and that's when they decided that they needed to bring him in to see the doctors here at the hospital. The doctors realized that he had bronchitis and started him on antibiotics. Almost immediately, he really started responding well to that, and he was able to enjoy some time with his family yesterday when his daughter Gigi and one of his grandchildren came in to see him. He also was able to watch Sunday services. His grandson Will was preaching at a church in Spartanburg. The night was televised, so the Reverend Graham watched that service. Despite his age, though, the Reverend's representative says he's determined to keep working for the Lord.
Mr. Graham remains a very active 93-year-old. He does have several age-related conditions such as limited mobility, macular degeneration, and hearing loss, but he's still very actively involved in ministry activity, including a writing project. He's completing a manuscript for his next book that is summarizing the gospel message he's preached for the last 7 decades of public crusade ministry, and hopefully that'll come out sometime after the first of the year.
You'd have known the difference.
Definitely an amazing man who has definitely made a mark on so many lives here in our country, in our community, and around the world. I have been trying to text his representatives to see if they have any new updates from this morning. At this point, we can tell you that the Reverend Graham is resting comfortably, and we'll be following this story and let you know just as soon as the doctors determine when he may be able to go back home. Reporting live in Asheville, Victoria Dunkel, News 13.